Strategies for optimizing product pricing in e-commerce. In the dynamic landscape of e-commerce, effective product pricing is a critical factor that directly influences a business's success. Striking the right balance between competitiveness, perceived value, and market demand is essential for sustained growth and profitability. In this article, we will explore 3 powerful strategies for optimizing product pricing in e-commerce: competitive analysis, value-based pricing, and dynamic pricing. 1. Competitive analysis. Competitive analysis is a fundamental step in understanding the market dynamics and positioning your products effectively. Here's how to conduct a robust competitive analysis. A. Identify key competitors. Begin by identifying your main competitors within your industry. Look for both direct competitors offering similar products and indirect competitors providing substitutes or alternatives. B. Analyze pricing strategies. Evaluate the pricing strategies employed by your competitors. Understand whether they adopt a cost-plus pricing model, a value-based approach, or employ dynamic pricing. C. Benchmark your prices. Compare your product prices with those of your competitors. Consider factors such as quality, features, and brand reputation when benchmarking. D. Differentiate your value proposition. Differentiate your products by highlighting unique features, exceptional quality, or superior customer service. This will justify premium pricing and set your brand apart from competitors. 2. Value-based pricing. Value-based pricing focuses on determining the perceived value of your products in the eyes of your customers. Here's how to implement value-based pricing. A. Understand customer needs. Conduct market research to understand the specific needs and preferences of your target audience. Identify the key features or benefits that hold the most value for them. B. Set a baseline value. Establish a baseline value for your product based on its intrinsic worth, taking into account manufacturing costs, overheads, and desired profit margins. C. Incorporate perceived value. Factor in the perceived value of your product, considering aspects such as brand reputation, customer reviews, and unique selling propositions. Price your products accordingly. D. Regularly review and adjust. Continuously monitor market trends, customer feedback, and competitors' actions. Regularly review and adjust your pricing strategy to stay aligned with changing consumer perceptions. 3. Dynamic pricing. Dynamic pricing involves adjusting prices in real time based on various factors such as demand, competitor pricing, and market conditions. Here's how to implement dynamic pricing effectively. A. Leverage data analytics. Utilize data analytics to gather insights into market demand, customer behavior, and competitor pricing. Advanced algorithms can help in making real-time pricing decisions. B. Monitor competitor prices. Keep a close eye on your competitors' pricing strategies. If they adjust their prices, evaluate whether a response is necessary to maintain competitiveness. C. Consider external factors. Factor in external variables such as seasonality, economic conditions, and consumer trends. Adjust prices accordingly to capitalize on peak demand periods or mitigate risks during slower seasons. D. Implement A/B testing. Experiment with different pricing models through A/B testing to understand how your audience responds to various price points. Use the insights gained to refine your dynamic pricing strategy. Conclusion. Optimizing product pricing in e-commerce requires a multifaceted approach that considers both internal and external factors. Competitive analysis, value-based pricing, and dynamic pricing are powerful strategies that, when implemented thoughtfully, can help e-commerce businesses not only survive but thrive in a highly competitive marketplace. By continuously adapting and refining your pricing strategies, you can stay ahead of the curve, meet customer expectations, and achieve sustainable growth.